Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is October the 29th and I'm using my brand new pip trigger trading system. This system has the pip trigger, that's this lower and upper band, along with the gold arrows you see here. Concept is easy. You get the arrow, followed by the blue arrow, your buy. Same thing for selling. There's your gold arrow, red arrow, you're selling. In real time right now, we're just waiting for a blue arrow. I love it. It makes trading super easy, at least it does for me. And as you can clearly see back here, if you're trading, this is an Asian time frame. In other words, last night. This is London and this is New York. There's your gold arrow, red arrow, get in. And look at that move. That was like around 86 ticks. Now you will get an audio sound in this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning, my schedule is around between 6 and 7. I'm up, right where this vertical line is, in front of the charts, looking at all the different instruments, both Forex and futures. I'm looking at the daily trade plan, something you must have, and you must know how to read it and to trade it. Now once I know I want to be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow, and this Euro New Zealand, you can see. As a matter of fact, on the Forex pairs here, I sold them, and a couple buys, and the DAX I sold. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzing the charts from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it'll say look for bearish trades, bullish trades. Some will be preferred. And the odd time, it'll be in white, just running flat. Lots of trading opportunities for today. This makes my trading much easier. And after 21 years of trading, this is the best daily trade plan I came across so far. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, you'll get more information right below this video in the description. And if you want more information, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's take a look at these trades. First one, Euro New Zealand. We're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Now, when I took the trade, where this cursor is, it did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything looking perfect, top and bottom for going down. Now, I knew it could do this little bit of a cycle, and I knew on this candle right here, it was going to hook around and continue to go down. So I got in at this point, closed it out here, just being happy with 18 pips, and that paid out $110. And everything fell in order. The pip trigger, gold arrow, red arrow, daily trade plan. Once everything lines up on the top and the bottom, you just take the trade. Moving on to the next trade, which is Euro CAD. Okay. Checking out this Euro CAD, we're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. And of course the pip trigger, which is very important. Here's your bit of a pullback. This is where I got in at. Here, and I closed it out here, being happy, looks like with 15 pips. And that paid out $115. Another good thing or tool that you should have, it's called my FibMaster tool. Once you get it, you just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing high to swing low. There's your pullback, entry number 1, and as a general rule, if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually, once it does the hook around, it'll usually make it to target 2, 3, 4, 5. And this FibMaster tool has a grand total of 10 targets. Fibonacci works so well because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. It is a complete full course, 30 training videos, over 3 gigabytes of training. So lots of training, education on, and I teach you how to trade using Fibonacci. Now if you have any questions, well, there's a lot more information right below this video in the description, and of course if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Now in this dollar CAD, we wanted to be selling it, so drag and drop this up. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, the pip trigger, gold arrow. I knew it was going to go, and away it went. Could have made probably twice as many pips, but my goal every day is at least minimum 200 pips and or ticks, which I get every day. Got in at this point, close it out here. Looks like 15 pips, and that paid out same as the previous trade, $115. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Now we're getting into the futures, the indexes, and as you can clearly see, they move a lot more and they pay a lot more. So crude oil, let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. I bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, the pip trigger, this channel here. There's the gold arrow. Could have bought here, could have bought here. And I actually bought it on the next candle, knowing it's going to go up. Now this one pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. This should be 30. So that's what we're looking for, 30 ticks. There it is right there, 36 paying 30 ticks paying $300. Moving right along to another instrument that pays $10 for each tick. The Russell, so let's pull that up. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So everything was looking good, top and bottom, for going up. We had the gold arrow, pip trigger, super signal, got in here. If I stayed in the trade, I would have made twice as much. And due to the fact it pays $10 for each tick, easy to see I'm looking for 91. So here we go. Got in at this point, looking for 91. There it is right there, 91 ticks, paying out $910. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. The DAX 30, like the NASDAQ, those are the two biggest movers. They move a lot, pay a lot. Today I decided to go with the DAX 30. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. So we're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This one I wanted to be selling it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal, the pip trigger gold arrow. Got in here, closed it out there, just being happy. Now the calculator, after I took the money divided by 3.75, says we're looking for approximately 1,015. Be very hard to get it right on, but we'll try. 1,012, well, that'll be as close as I can show. It's 1,015, and that ended up paying out $3,806. Now if you wanted to, as my mentor told me probably about 18 years ago, focus on one or two instruments and become very good at trading it. So if that's what you want to do, I would focus on myself, the DAX 30 and the NASDAQ. And those two will definitely have huge payouts every day you're trading. So definitely another great day of trading, and I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. The grand total for today was 1,184. And as you can see, all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $5,356. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. Don't forget about my FibMaster tool. And if you're on my email list, or if you want to be on my email list, just send me your name and I'll have your email. Just shoot me an email and I will give you some weekly trading tips and other special offers and deals on my many different packages. Remember, you should be buying education every 2 or 3 months until you find success. This is the only way you will succeed at trading. And I do have a lot of education, and I can show you that on Teams screen sharing if you want to see. Now, if you have any questions or you want to get your hands on anything, well, just get in contact with me. And if you look right below this video, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer the phone most of the time. And of course, if you can't call me, well, then just send me an email. Now, of course, I really do prefer Teams. I made it easy for you. Made a link for you. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Teams connection, and through Teams, should be able to answer most of your questions and can even do some screen sharing. Also, in the description, you'll see that I have 5 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. And I do have some special deals and offers. Obviously, if you just want to buy one package, it's going to be $250 US. If you want to buy 2, a discount, it'll be $400. And if you want to buy 3 packages, well, it'll be $500. And the 3 packages deal is the most popular one that traders are taking. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.